Somebody has the hiccups. Somebody has the hiccups.
Come here. Why would you want the tattoo on your face? Sam, if I had a bow and arrow, I'd shoot you. Tina, I think you should just go tackle him. But I don't want to be nice. I don't want to be nice. I don't